Shout out to Sony for sponsoring this video. Hey man, maybe you don't suck at mixing. Maybe you actually pretty good and you will never know it because your room is lying to you. I mean, you spend hours working on that mix, tweaking the EQs and the compressors, hoping that, you know what, this might just really be my best mix ever. And then you go out to the car and what sounded fire in the studio is trash. But don't worry, Wavy got you. And today, we're gonna be looking at a solution that can change the game for you, man. These are the Sony MDR M1 headphones. And with these headphones, you're gonna have what you need to sound like you're in $1 million studio, even if you're just mixing on an airplane. Here's the thing, it's not that your room hates you, it's that when you're mixing, you're not just hearing the speakers, you're hearing the speakers and the room. In untreated rooms, you get what's called standing waves. The sound is literally bouncing around, stacking up some of the frequencies and canceling others out. Your speakers are doing one thing and the room is changing it, okay? This is especially true in the low end frequencies. That's why a lot of times you can move around your room and hear bass that's louder in one area and quieter in other areas. And then you have the issue of early reflections. This is when the sound is bouncing off the walls and coming back to your ears, making it hard to tell what's actually happening in the mix and what's happening in the room. You could be making changes to your mix that are really changes that are happening in the room. And it's not just the surfaces and the shape of the room. The size also matters. Every room has modes, which are resonant frequencies that build up, right? Now, you could literally be dealing with like a muddy, low, mid-range in the mix that ain't really in the mix. It could be a gift from your room that keeps on giving. That's what headphones say today, especially ones as good as these. The Sony MDR M1 give you a true, honest sound, no matter where you're working from. No acoustic treatment, it don't even matter, man. These headphones are the answer. Now, Sony ain't new to the headphone game. Let me take you back to the MDR 7506s. These are a true industry legend. I used them for the first time doing my internship at Quad Studios. Yeah, that's the same studio where the legends like Tupac, Biggie, Mariah Carey, that's where they all recorded. Ever since then, the MDR 7506s have been trusted by so many engineers and artists to mix and produce everything from rap, R&B, classical, pop, and more. When it comes to pro audio, Sony knows what they're doing. And to me, the Sony MDR M1s pick up exactly where the 7506s left off. It's like the 7506s got a modern upgrade with a brand new design. They got an even better low-end response. They lightweight, and I can literally wear these all day. These are precision tools to get busy with. All right, let's talk features. The MDR M1 has a flat frequency response, meaning no exaggerated bass or crispy over-the-top high-end. They just pure reference quality sound. And unlike other headphones that are in this class, the low-end response is unbelievable, man. When I mix with these, I can hear every detail, from the punch of my kicks and my 808s, all the way up to that little glimmer up on the hi-hats, baby. And they light as a feather too, man. At some points, I really forget that I'm wearing them and I gotta double check to make sure that my speakers ain't on, cause I might just forget that I'm listening to headphones and think I'm listening to my studio monitors. No cap. No ear fatigue, no sweaty ears, and I know that we all been wearing headphones where we feel like we getting the squeeze of death. These are gonna feel like a little vacation for your head, man. The Sony MDR M1 headphones are a cheat code. They give you a professional sound without needing an expensive studio. They're comfortable, reliable, and they'll help you get your job done better and faster. Even if I am using my expensive studio monitors, I always check my mixes and headphones and I end up hearing details that I just wasn't hearing before, like bad edits, clicks and pops, and other stuff that I just want to clean up. It all becomes a little bit more apparent when I'm listening to headphones. Even the best treated rooms will alter the sound of what's coming out of the speakers. So using great headphones that you can trust, like the MDR M1s, will take the room out of the equation and give you a true, accurate reference that you can take with you anywhere you go. If you've been struggling with room acoustics, or you just want a better way to hear your mixes and get those final details perfect, the Sony MDR M1 headphones are a no-brainer. They're comfortable, reliable, and they deliver pro sound. You can trust them, whether you're in the studio or on an airplane. Have you tried the MDR M1s yet? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, or just let me know which headphones are your go-to for mixing. I'm always down to hear what's working for y'all. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe and do all the YouTube stuff right down there, man. Turn on the notifications. Y'all keep being dope, man. Come on.